From mountains to oceans, geography helps us understand our planet. In this lesson, we'll explore key geography terms, breaking them down with definitions, examples, and images. Let's talk about the language of the Earth. Elevation as noun. The act of raising or lifting something to a higher position or level. The height above a given level, especially the vertical height of a point or object above sea level or ground level. The elevator carried us to the top floor of the skyscraper with a swift elevation. The architect's design included an elevation of the building to maximize views of the surrounding landscape. The map displayed the elevation of various landmarks along the hiking trail. The mountain climber reached a high elevation before stopping to admire the breathtaking scenery. The elevation of the aircraft enabled passengers to enjoy panoramic views of the city below. Topography as noun. The detailed mapping or description of the physical features of a region or area, including its terrain, elevation, and landforms. The study or representation of the surface features of a place or object. The topography of the coastal area includes cliffs, beaches, and estuaries. Topography plays a crucial role in urban planning, influencing factors such as drainage, development, and transportation routes. The topography of the Martian surface reveals evidence of ancient riverbeds and volcanoes. Geologists use topography maps to study the landforms and geological structures of a region. The military relies on accurate topography data for strategic planning and navigation. Longitude is noun. Angular distance measured east or west from the prime meridian, usually expressed in degrees. The meridional distance of a place from the prime meridian, measured in degrees of longitude east or west of the meridian. Cartographers use lines of longitude, or meridians, to divide the Earth into distinct time zones. GPS satellites rely on precise calculations of longitude and latitude to pinpoint locations on Earth's surface. Ancient mariners struggled to accurately determine longitude during long ocean voyages, leading to navigational errors. The prime meridian, passing through Greenwich, England, serves as the reference point for measuring longitude. The ship's captain used a sextant to determine the vessel's longitude while navigating across the open sea. Geology is noun. The branch of science that examines the rocks, minerals, fossils, and other materials that make up the Earth, as well as the geological processes that affect them. The scientific study of the Earth's structure, composition, and history, including the processes that shape the planet's surface and interior. Geology field trips involve studying rock formations and collecting samples for analysis. The study of geology is essential for predicting and mitigating natural hazards such as earthquakes and landslides. The geology of the region indicates a history of seismic activity. Geology helps us understand the formation of mountains, volcanoes, and other geological features. She decided to pursue a career in geology after taking an introductory course in college. Demography is noun. The statistical study of human populations, especially with reference to size and density, distribution, and vital statistics. The study of the characteristics of human populations, such as age, gender, ethnicity, and income, and the changes that occur over time. Governments use demography to plan social services, infrastructure development, and public policies. Demography helps businesses target their products and services to specific demographic groups. The field of demography encompasses a wide range of topics, including fertility rates, mortality rates, migration patterns, and population aging. Demography is often used in sociology, economics, public health, and urban planning to inform research and decision-making. Demography plays a crucial role in understanding population trends and forecasting future changes. Hydrology is noun. The branch of geoscience dealing with the properties, distribution, and circulation of water on and beneath the Earth's surface and in the atmosphere. The scientific study of the movement, distribution, and quality of water on Earth, including the hydrologic cycle, water resources, and environmental watershed sustainability. A hydrologist studies the effects of climate change on water availability. Hydrology is essential for understanding the impact of human activities on water resources. Hydrology plays a crucial role in managing water resources for agriculture. Understanding hydrology helps predict floods and droughts. The field of hydrology encompasses various subdisciplines, including surface water hydrology and groundwater hydrology. Glaciation as noun. The geological process by which glaciers form, grow, move, and shape the Earth's surface, including the erosion and deposition of sediments. The process, condition, or period of being covered or affected by glaciers, typically referring to the expansion and retreat of glaciers over time. The retreat of glaciers following a period of glaciation can lead to changes in sea levels and the exposure of new land surfaces. Scientists study the geological record to understand the patterns and effects of glaciation on the Earth's climate and ecosystems. Glaciation during the Ice Age sculpted the mountains and valleys of the region. Glaciation can dramatically alter the topography of an area, creating distinctive landforms such as fjords and cirques. The landscape bears evidence of past glaciation, with U-shaped valleys and moraines dotting the terrain. Latitude as noun. Freedom or flexibility in choice, action, or expression. The extent to which one can maneuver or deviate from a prescribed course of action. The angular distance north or south of the equator, measured in degrees, indicating a location's position relative to the Earth's equatorial plane. The city of Sydney is located at a latitude of approximately 33.87 degrees south of the equator. In terms of latitude, New York City is situated at approximately 40.71 degrees north of the equator. Countries near the equator experience warmer climates due to their proximity to the equatorial region and their lower latitudes. The latitude afforded to employees in the company allowed them to work flexibly, choosing their own hours and locations to suit their needs. The Arctic Circle lies at a latitude of 66.56 degrees north of the equator, marking the southernmost boundary of the polar ice cap. Climate as noun. The long-term weather patterns characteristic of a particular area, region, or planet. The prevailing conditions or atmosphere of a place, including factors such as temperature, humidity, wind, and precipitation. Climate varies greatly from one geographic region to another, influencing local agriculture and lifestyle. Residents of the coastal town enjoy a mild climate throughout the year. Scientists are studying the effects of climate change on ecosystems around the world. The tropical climate of the region supported lush vegetation and diverse wildlife. The desert climate is characterized by high temperatures and low precipitation. Geography as noun. The physical characteristics and spatial organization of an area, region, or place, including its landforms, bodies of water, and natural resources. The study of the Earth's physical features, atmosphere, climate, and the distribution of plants, animals, and human populations. The geography of the region influences its economy and cultural practices. The geography of the area makes it prone to flooding during heavy rains. Our geography teacher organized a field trip to study the local ecosystem and geology. Geography class covers topics such as landforms, climate patterns, and population distribution. He majored in geography in college, studying maps and conducting field research. Cartographer is noun. A person who creates maps, either by hand or using geographic information systems, GIS, technology. A specialist in the science or practice of drawing maps. As a cartographer, she traveled extensively to gather data and create accurate maps. The ancient Greeks were among the first to develop cartography as a discipline. Modern cartographers use sophisticated software to produce detailed and precise maps. The cartographer's work was essential for navigating through treacherous terrain. The cartographer spent years meticulously mapping out the uncharted territories. Cartography is noun. The art or technique of making maps or charts. The science or practice of drawing maps. The study and creation of maps and charts. Cartography played a crucial role in navigation, exploration, and colonization throughout history. The cartography department at the university offers courses in map design and geographic information systems. Ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and Romans, made significant contributions to the early practice of cartography. Cartography has evolved significantly over the centuries, from hand-drawn maps to digital mapping technologies. The development of GIS, geographic information systems, has revolutionized the field of cartography. Level up your English. Master vocabulary, idioms, and phrasal verbs with fun quizzes. Translate meanings into 104 languages. Download now. Link in the description. Please like and subscribe to our channel.